Welcome, future lobster lovers, to the world of colorful crustaceans. Whether it's fiery reds, mesmerizing blues, split-colored wonders, or the fleeting albino lobster, the world of colorful lobsters is full of surprises. Now let's take a look at what makes up these animals' seemingly dark shells.
Like Picassos of the sea, lobsters use pigment to create masterpieces of color. It's no wonder that so many artists love to depict these cryptic creatures. Did you know that beneath the murky exterior, lobsters actually exhibit a remarkable array of colors?
The pigments in lobster shells are determined by a combination of genetic factors and nutrition. That means that what lobsters eat can determine the color of their shell. Talk about a perfect balance between nature and nourishment.
While relatively rare, blue lobsters do exist in this colorful crustacean tapestry. Overproduction of specific proteins can create true blue lobsters, while underproduction might create especially red lobsters. In the wild, lobsters have a more blue pigment, but we think of their typical red coloration because of their pigment astaxanthin that doesn't break down when cooked. Lobsters turn very red when cooked because astaxanthin is not temperature sensitive, while most other pigments in lobster shells are. These unexpected surprises can show lobstermen a colorful, patriotic display, even after the 4th of July.
Although blue lobsters are rare, they're actually one of the more common lobster color morphs. One of the more uncommon forms, the two-tone lobster, is like the yin-yang of the ocean, and is a result of early cell division during development. This is most commonly seen in nature as the Halloween lobster, a half-black and half-orange wonder. Sometimes these two-tone lobsters can be gynandromorphs, which means they have one side that has male characteristics, and the other side is more female.
Even more peculiar is the genetic condition leucism, which creates lobsters with no pigment in their shells. This genetic condition is what creates the albino lobster. Like the unicorns of the ocean, they bring a touch of enchantment to our seafood adventures. As long as you remember, they won't be turning red when you cook them. Even more rare than blue or two-tone lobster, the albino lobster is incredibly hard to find in the wild. You're more likely to be struck by lightning or attacked by a shark than to find one in the wild.
So, the next time you spot a lobster with a hint of blue, a split color surprise, or an ethereal albino beauty, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of nature's crayon box. Keep calm and lobster on!